All right. Okay. Welcome to another lesson of today. Okay. So if the first time watching my video, I want you to click on that red subscribe button, okay, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my video. Okay, like I make another video about some jazz lick you need to know, some breakdown of jazz lick. Okay. Uh, I want to give you another two basic jazz licks. Okay, you can apply in your playing as well. I believe it's gonna help you and improve your playing as well. Okay, so if you like this video, give a thumbs up, give a comment down below. Okay, so I want to do the lesson in the key of D. In the key of D. Okay, so the first lick there is okay, so what am I playing? Playing from your one note, more to your flat third, okay, to your four, your flat fifth, your fifth note, to your flat seven, and your one note, okay. So what am I playing here? From your do, your one note to your flat six, flat seven, to your fifth, okay. So this is how it sounds. Okay, from your do, okay. So that is the first lick. Okay, what we are seeing. Okay. So what am I playing there? I'm playing from my one note, which is your do. Okay, your one note to your flat seven. Okay. So your fifth note to your flat fifth to your fourth note. Okay, which is your va, to your flat third, which is a more, to your one note. Okay. 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 So you descend it back. Okay. So that is how it sounds. Okay. You apply it in your playing as well. So this is how the second licks go. Okay. Play from here. You understand? You play it like a pentatonic shape, okay? Okay. You slide from here. Okay, but you slide it up from this shape. You play the sixth note there. This is your la. Okay. 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 So that is going to work on that. Okay, I believe it will help you enhance your playing as well. If that's playing, okay. So we'll make the rest of the leaks in the next video. So I want you to give a thumbs up, subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my video each and anytime I post a new video. Okay, so for today I want you to work on that leak and drop your comment down below. Okay, so thanks for watching.